the dependencies, the packages and all. Alright, now anyone speak up why we use pandas? Yes, quickly. Anshu, you speak. Why you use pandas?
To work with data, like creating data frames and
Mm-hmm. You have IPL of CSV and then IPL.csv, isn't it? Yep, okay. Alright, so directly going to find out the cities data, right? What we did in the last one. So just I'm going to just plot this up, right? So top 5 cities got the maximum number of matches played. So enlarging the graph first of all. I think I don't need to enlarge because I only need 5 data. So I'll be using count plot of my x status equals to the city column, and I'll say the data is equals to df underscore of IPL. Oh, sorry, that's IPL. Okay, and this is sorry. So this is something we need to plot up. I think that will work. And let's see. Yep. So we have 49, 60, 61, 66, and 85. It's a values. That's a kind of thing. Okay, like if we print out the DF, or if I say only the city, then I must need, I think, then I must need some graphing values. Yep, of course. So let's make it quite big. So figure, and then the fixed size, let's say to be 45 cross 25, 28. Okay, let's see. So are we getting something? Yep. So Bangalore is having approx 60 plus, 65 plus, I think. Leading one is the Mumbai, right? Then after it comes for the Bangalore, then it comes for the Kolkata and so on. Like we can go with that. Okay. Now, if in the data set, if I say that which team has won in the last 10 years for the maximum, anyone could answer. Quick. Anyone? Give me the code. The best team. Yes? Any suggestions? Any answer? So how you are going to define your best team? The team which has won for the maximum number of times, right? The team which has won for the maximum number of times would be the best team. As I can let's proceed with that. So what is the first job? You have to make your columns names in the list, right? So df of underscore of IPL dot the columns to list, and there we go with the serial number, the seasons, the city, the date, and all those things. So we don't have to go with the toss winner, we have to go with the winner. So df underscore of IPL dot winner dot the value counts, and that's to only one. Method is not scriptable. Oh, so MI is the best team, right, from the 2008 to 2009. Sorry, 17, having a match-winning record of 92 games, right? 92 games, having a record of that, right? What is the next one? Like, what is it? Just next by leading team, we can say. Okay, CSK is there with 79 points. All right, so like this, you can make it there. Like, which has been the most emerging team or most perfect team from the last 2008 to 2017, right? Now we can easily ask which team has won the matches, right? The matches by most runs. Which team in the past 10 years has won the matches by the most runs? Got the question? Answer quickly. For both. Anyone could answer? Quick. I've got the answers, I think, for importing data analysis and okay. Should we complete data examinations? Like it depends on you. If you want, you can complete it. Depends on you, right? So if you want, you can complete it today, tomorrow, whenever you want, right? So otherwise, fortunately, you have to start up by 21st or 22nd, anyhow, to write the examination. All right, cool. So what's the code of this? Anyone could speak quickly. See, what you can do is df underscore of IPL, right? And the team which has won by the most number of matches, sorry, most number of runs. What I say that most number of runs. What is that? Most number of runs. Do you have any column for the most number of runs? Yeah, we have win by runs. So we'll go with win by. We have data like first team has got like won by 140 runs, then one run, three, and like such things so will be there, right? 0, 0, 0, and all. Right. So what is our goal is to find the team which has won by the maximum number of runs in any of the matches, irrespective of the finals, and there are all those things. Right. So what we can do is there we can go for df underscore of IPL, right, and then we can write win by runs dot the IDX max index maximum value. So wherever the index maximum value would be returning, right, we are going to just find up that place particularly. That's 620. So let's locate this df underscore of IPL. Oh, we forgot to add something. So that's the match played between MI and DD. It's nice. And DD was the toss winner. Who won the match? MI by 146 runs. Okay, that's great. Right, so this has been the team over the past 10 years for winning any match with a very spectacular, right? The you can say the threshold, right? The thing. Okay. Now I think you can go with that win by wickets and all, right? I'm not going to go again. So just you have to change the column name. That's it. You'll be getting up the things over there. Okay, you can find out what the number of the matches where DL was applied. Anyone who could say the code. Can I see the number of matches where the DL was applied? Yes, yes. Answer.
DF IPL
DF.
dot dual apply dot value counts.
One second. One second. One second. DF of underscore of IPL dot apply.
No, DL applied.
DL apply.
You asked about the DL applied, no? So can you please repeat your question?
I asked to what I ask. Uh, what I asked is that I asked to find the number of matches where the DL was applied. Oh, sorry. So you are saying DF of IPL and then DL underscore of
DL applied,
applied, yes.
then the value count.
Dot value counts. You better will have this in the. Yes is 13, no is 623. So the number of matches are 13 where the DL was applied. Then what are the number of those matches? What are those matches exactly about?
And we can use NP dot where.
NP dot where?
Yes, sir. NP dot where DF IPL, then DL applied equals to equal to and by.
Great. So like these are the values, or you say the index positions of things. So we can just write that locate all these points. That's it. DF of underscore of IPL. And there you get the table. Right? Okay. So there you get the table accordingly and you have the data over there, and that's it how it does. So you can even take that you only want the Y answer. So what's the shortest step to find out this answer? Anyone could answer? What the shortest step could happen? Yes? Alright, you find out the shortest answer. I'll give you if you're unable to do that. So best team and all the things we have seen, right? Now coming up to the next data set, now we are going to deal up with the hospital data set. Okay. So how does a hospital data set works? What is there in the hospital data set and all, right? We'll be discussing up DF of. So I say it as DF underscore of host, and this is p dot read underscore of CSV, and there it goes with hbd dot CSV. Shit, that's it. State UT basically. What's ever called running index? Okay. Oh, that's just a column. And there it goes. df underscore of host. And that's the sample. So we have the states, we have the serial numbers, primary health centers, community health centers, sub-district hospitals, and all those things. Now, as per dealing with the data set, yes. Now, all the operations I'll be doing will be given by you, right? So, what's the very first operation I'm going to perform here? Right? Answer. What should I do the very beginning? Speak out.
Check the shape of the DF.
Check the shape of this DF. Okay. Check the shape of. Another thing.
The data type of active column.
Next.
Check if there's any null value or not.
All right. Next. So you can directly take it there, right? You can directly write df dot what is that? Df of host dot the what's that written up like we just discussed just now. Can you get everything with this info? Data types and all, like go with the shortest step. In computer science, you only have to deal up with the shortest step you can come up with. Okay, that's the thing. First the columns, then the shape, and then using the logs like the LOC, ILOC, IAT, AAT, alright, those things. Okay, let me ask you a question. What are the number of public beds in, let's copy, so df underscore of host dot columns. So these are the columns. Now if I say that what are the number of total public beds in a particular year, let's talk about the 2006. Can take it. dealing with the state and index. Let's talk about the Goa. So it's having a lot of network errors today, right? Still, let's see how much far we could go with this network. The FFO start index and then locating of the values, right? What is that? There go up. Okay, fine. It's not working up there. TF of locating at something which is not there, like uh, let's wait for the fifth. It's a line kind of thing. Why it is being taken for the arguments. I'll just locate this. TF is not defined. That's I think it's test. Yeah, using index ILC with the 12 would be giving the values of why this is for Hayana. Alright, see now to find a very specific index number for any of the whenever you are stuck in these places, whenever you are stuck in a condition where you have one side as for like completing of the questions like whatever it was asked, and then the second side is finding a question within that question, and then let's make a very specific one, right? So, like if you want to see the total public health fatigues, and that's to even in India, what we can do is you can find out by writing just like df underscore of host and then at. Now let's write for any of, let's say this is Goa, right? And then you have been searching for, like, let's say number of urban beds in HIP. Let's run this. So there are 25. You can take a list of all the things, right? So you can even calculate if there is any mistake. Anyone is having a delay effect in the video? I'm getting that. How many of you are getting the delay effect? Syntax of like total public health effects. What is this effect saying on? Wait, there is such an error.